In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone battery drain now on iOS 26. Let's get started. First, update your apps. For that, launch your App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now scroll down, you're going to find the option Update All. Click on that. This ensures your apps are optimized and won't crash or drain your battery in the background. Next up, disable background app refresh. For that, close this, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, head over to the option General. Click on the option Background App Refresh, then set it off or Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from constantly refreshing in the background and saves battery. Next, manage location services. For that, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Security. Now click on the option Location Services. For each app, set location access to while using or never. This way your GPS is only used when it's actually needed. Likewise, check battery usage. For that, head back, navigate to the option Battery, scroll to see usage status. If an app is using a lot of battery and you rarely use it, it's time to delete, update or restrict it. Likewise, enable Optimize Battery Charging. Click on the option Charging and enable for the option Optimize Battery Charging. This feature is available on iPhone Pro models only. Next up, enable Reduce Motion. For that, head back to the main page of settings, go to the option Accessibility. Now click on the option Motion. Now enable for the option Reduce Motion. This simplifies animations and reduce GPU usage, helping your battery last longer. And that's it. These are some fixes for battery drain on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.